Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create a custom dictionary for various Microsoft Office programs. So that way if you have some custom words that normally show up misspelled, you don't have to do things such as right click and ignore or add them to dictionary one at a time. You could actually keep a running copy of your own personal dictionary and then just add words as needed. Okay, so we're in Word here. You can see these words are spelled incorrectly or at least marked incorrectly. Same for Outlook. So we're going to create our own custom dictionary and add these three words, and then we could add more later as needed. Alright, so to begin, we're going to open Notepad. Then we're going to put in our custom words here, like so, and even Notepad sees them as being spelled incorrectly. Alright, so now we want to do a save as, and here's the catch here, you have to change this to UTF-16, otherwise it's not going to work in Word, because it has to have the proper Unicode formatting. So we're going to call this new dictionary. We have to put .dic, not txt. That's the catch too. I'll save it on the desktop. So obviously you're going to want to save this somewhere where you're going to keep it, so that way when it's updated, then Office will see it in the original location. Otherwise you're going to have to point it to the new location if you end up moving this file. Alright, so now we have our new dictionary file on the desktop there. Alright, so for Word, we're going to go to File and Options, and then Proofing, and then Custom Dictionaries. Alright, so here are the default ones, all languages, and there's also this custom one that Office puts in there. Alright, so we'll click on Add, and then we'll browse to that file on the desktop here, and then click OK, and then OK. And now you can see right away that they're not marked as misspelled anymore. Alright, so if you want to do this from Outlook, it's a little different. You have to go to File, Options, then Mail, and then Spelling and Autocorrect. And then you have a Custom Dictionaries button there, and you'll see that it's already added. So once you add it to one, it should add it to the others. So let's open Excel and check this there as well. So you can see it's there too. Alright, so what you may find is you might have to restart the program. So let's actually just copy this and do a new email. And if that doesn't work, we'll restart Outlook. So now you can see that they're not marked as incorrect. Okay, so let's say you wanted to add something to it. Let's say ZZXX. All right, and now we'll go back to our new dictionary DIC file, ZZXX, save it. All right, let's copy these again, go out and back in. Now this time you can see it didn't update, so now let's try closing it. And now you can see that time it worked. So in this case we had to close Outlook and reopen it. Alright, so let's go back to Word and try this here. And you can see for Word it didn't have to be closed and reopened, so your results may vary. Alright, so once again, open Notepad, add your words for your custom dictionary, do a save as, make sure the encoding is set to UTF-16, make sure you save it with .dic instead of .txt. And then if you want to do it from Word, File, Options, it's the same for Excel too, by the way, Proofing, Custom Dictionaries, Add, then just browse to your file. And if you want to do it from Outlook, File, Options, Mail, Spelling and Autocorrect, and then Custom Dictionaries. So the results will be the same, just depending on which program you want to use to add your custom dictionary file. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.